Here's a 1960 Chevrolet Apache step-side short box street rotted here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Nice looking stance to this truck. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Gotta love the 1960 front end. Look at that. Definitely don't make them like that anymore. Take a look at the chrome bumper down below. Grill, of course, the marker lights, turn signal indicators up in the hood. Was repainted 5 years ago, Pontiac red. Take your time looking through the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. Check out all the pics there. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Chrome wheels, spinner center caps, radial tires, BF Goodrich to be exact. And as you can see, that paint has a nice shine to it, deep red. I also rolled up the windows so I could show you that the side glass and rear glass is tinted. So know your local and state laws with the darkness that you're allowed to have legally. Slip to the back where you can see the step side bed. Tonneau cover, nice looking bed. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Plenty of pictures of the wood bed. Full size spare back there. Sliding rear glass. Behind the passenger seat there is also a bottle jack, fire extinguisher, so some things in the kind of cubby behind the seat. You'll be able to check that out in the still pictures. A lot to look at in this truck. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We'll also come with a car show display. It's kind of a hood prop rod. It doesn't need it, but you can set it up in the front, and I'll show you that when we take a look at the engine bay. It's kind of cool for the car shows. And this would be a fun one to take your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through those still pictures. As we take a look down the driver's side of this truck. A few things I can tell you from previous owner. Recent service work that was done, front ball joints, oil is changed and a tune-up. Rear diff fluid. Did mention it was painted approximately 5 years ago. And we'll get underneath the hood, take a look underneath there. You're going to see it has headers, Edelbrock intake and carb. Start it up, let you hear it run, good sounding truck. All right, on to the interior. A two-tone black and red, neutral colored carpeting. Buckets. Shifter on the floor, and again, automatic. 350 V8 power. All right, let's go ahead and fire this one up. Anytime I've started this truck, it fires right up. Looks like the tack is working, but the rest of it, yeah, oil pressure came up, fuel gauge, battery gauge, blower fan is working. Top of the dash painted nicely. So yeah, nice black and red two-tone combination. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust, just a nice sounding 350 under that hood. Sounds like it may have a little cam to it. Get up to the front, open this hood, check out the engine bay, and remember to stick around to the end of the video. We're going to take this truck for a drive, put a camera in it, be able to see how it goes down the road, kind of take a virtual ride in. Alright, now I mentioned that prop rod. This hood does not need that rod to stay up. The hinges and springs, everything's good in it, just so you know. But I wanted to put it in there because it is kind of a cool showpiece. You got it in any of your local shows. You can put that in there to latches too, so works out pretty good. There you go, small block shove power. Got Edelbrock intake and 4-barrel carb headers. Nice dressed up engine bay. Don't have to be embarrassed about having the hood open on this one, folks. And remember, stick around a little longer for that driving video. 1960 Chevrolet Apache. Step side, street routed. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice looking 1960 Chevrolet Apache pickup truck. Really nice red paint color on this truck, and it does carry through and blend with some black on the inside. Looks good. We have a tachometer mounted on the column here that is working. Battery gauge is showing right in the middle of the gauge. Temperature about a quarter of the way up. Fuel also about a quarter of the way. And our oil pressure is showing about 50 psi. A little bit of wind noise around the doors, as you might expect. It is winter in Minnesota. This is an automatic on the floor. We have nice aftermarket bucket seats in this truck. Letting go of the wheel, this truck stays nice and straight. A little slack in the steering. That is to be expected in this era of truck. Not enough to cause any performance issues. Brakes also working well. This truck has a nice rumble to it. You get on the gas and idle up outside the truck, you can hear it really good. Nice gray carpeting. They did a good job with the interior touches. Touching that throttle, it kicks down nicely. The speedometer is off. It's showing almost 70, and we're probably doing almost 55. But it does swing up and function. Very nice tonneau cover on this truck. Some wood boards in the bed. Very great looking truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this truck, the engine bay, and anything else you want to see at UniqueClassicCars.com.